Welcome to Sudoku SKVM. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on March 11, 2024. 4-star Sudoku. Column D, 7th row, B of 6. So 6 can't come. These cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column F, column D, B of 6. So 6 can't come. These cells. The 6 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come. These cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 5th grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come. These cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 9 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column E, only one numbers remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, only one numbers remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 3, 6, 9. The 3 number can't come these cells. It will come any one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 8. It will come any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 8. Second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then second grade, column D, 3 numbers are remaining. 5 to 7. It will come any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column I, second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 will come any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Second row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 will come any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. Column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column H, column I, we have 6. 7th row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 6, 9. 7th row and 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 9. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 9. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 7th row and 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 4, 7. Column A, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 4. Column A, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column E and 5th grade, only one numbers remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then fourth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 8. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 9. It will come in one of these cells. 9th row and 7th row, or 7th row we have 2, 1, 9. So 2, 1, 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. 9th row we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column H, only one number remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column I are 9th grade. 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 5. 9th row we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. The 9th grade, column I, only one number remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 8th row, column A, we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 8. It will come in one of these cells. Column C, we have 8, so it can't come in this cell, then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 4th grade, 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 8. Column B, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column C, we have 8, so it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 4. First row, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. First row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column D and second grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 7. Third row, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. First row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then second grade, column D, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. First row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. First grade and second row, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.